Common questions about Storyblocks Free Trial. Why can't I find Storyblocks Free Trial option on the sales page? Yes, that's true. You won't find the Storyblocks Free Trial on the platform. However, you can still get it by using the link that I will provide below. I got a 7-day free trial, but I still had to provide my credit card number. Why would they ask me for this information if it's free? The trial is indeed free, but the company is hoping that after you use their service for 7 days, you will purchase a membership. That's why they are asking for your credit card information. However, if you cancel your subscription before your trial expires, you won't be charged anything. Can I get Storyblocks for free without a free trial or subscription? No, this would violate the terms of service and be illegal. Will I be charged anything during a 7-day free trial? No, you won't, because that would be against Storyblocks' terms of service. Do I have to cancel my account to avoid charges if I decide not to use Storyblocks? Yes, you will need to cancel the billing agreement. If you don't cancel your account, that would mean that you like the service and agree to pay for it. Set up a reminder in your calendar so that you won't miss the end of the trial. Can I download an unlimited number of stock videos for free during the trial and just cancel the membership after that? No. During the 7-day trial, you can only download 5 HD video files, not 20 videos per day like it used to be. However, considering that most video stock platforms charge $20 to $40 per single HD file, that is still a very generous offer. I usually only use around 5 video files to create a quality video for a client. Keep in mind that the trial does not include 4K, After Effects templates, audio files, images, and vectors. Can I use the videos that I downloaded if I choose not to use the service in the future or cancel my subscription after a few months? That's another great thing about Storyblocks. All the video files that you download during the free trial are yours to keep, and you can use them for any of your projects in the future.